Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Modern Community. This will basically give you unlimited stars and coins in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as unlimited stars and coins for free, unlock all item, furniture, free shopping and much more. The first thing you need to do is to grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have Modern Community installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is open your favorite browser and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type like me Modern Community and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your Android or iOS device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.